Right, welcome back to the channel. Got a little repair job in. It's only a couple of alloy wheels. They've got two wheels. Both of them have got two cracks in each wheel. So just thought I'd do a little video really of just how I do it. Might be the right way, might be the wrong way, but I've never had one re-crack on me. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll get a little picture of the cracks, and then I'll go explain how I done it, how I do the repairs. So yeah, sound, get set up, I'll explain how I'm doing things and then we'll get into it. So I've set it up here. What we'll do is, obviously the crack starts here and it goes all the way up and then ends about here. Let's get that off. Yeah, it actually ends there, but it also is cracked up this way as well and ends here. So what I need to do, drill a hole just after the cracks, so then that stops it from cracking again. So I'll do that on both of them and then die grinder all out. I weld the inside first, so I weld all this first on the two cracks, clean it all up, buff it all up, make it tidy and nice, and then I do the inside of the wheel then. So yeah, what I'll probably do is get myself positioned up, ready to drill and grind it all out, and I'll just time lapse all that because you don't want to see most of that, it's just boring stuff. Anyone can grind it all out, but I'll drill the two holes first and then what I'll do is time lapse me getting it all cleaned out. So yeah, let's get set up. What I'll do, give this a quick clean with a wire brush, and I'll drill the two holes and then I'll start grinding it out. I'm just going to use a die grinder piece and I'll just put it in the drill, do it like that, pretty easy. Rather than set up my die grinder, the drill's just as good. So yeah, quick wire brush and then drill the holes. That should do. It's only so I can see where the cracks finish, so I can drill them now, clean it all out. So I might even chuck it in a bit of time lapse while I'm cleaning it all out, because you don't want to see all of it because it's pretty boring. So yeah, I'll just drill these two holes and then we'll be alright then to get it welded up. Happy days. What I'll do now, chuck it on a bit of time lapse and then just while I get it all cleaned out, ready to weld up. So yeah, sound. So what I've done, it's all cleaned up. It's cleaned up alright, so I'm going to give it a quick wipe down now with some acetone thinners, whatever I've got, and then give it a quick weld, and then I'll do the actual inside of it then. So yeah, get you set up ready with a welder, and then we'll crack on. Happy days. I like doing aluminium, it's quite good. So give that a second to cool down, and I'll do a little bit more, let that cool down, and I'll let the full wheel cool down before I start doing the inside of it. And then it's just a case of buffing up, clean it up, and move on to the next one. So yeah, happy days. Sound. Still need to do a little bit on the edge, but I can do that when I flip it over into the other side. So I'll let that cool down now before I go on to the other side and get all that cleaned. But yeah, happy days. Only another 3 more to do. Alright, so I've turned it over now so I can get the inside of it. I've still got one crack to do up here, but I'm not going to go through all of them and show you all of them because it's just repetitive, because it's the same thing over and over. So what we'll do, we'll get this one done, get this one cleaned up, and once they're all done, I'll put a little photo at the end of all of them done and cleaned up, and then yeah, so yeah, let's get this one finished, and then I'll put a video at the end, I'll put a photo at the end, it all done, and then yeah, happy days. Right, that's sound now, happy with that. What I want to do is I'll let it cool down, and then I'll put it flat, and then a bit of welding that little bit of a V there, and then happy days, all done. So clean up then, and then happy, very happy with it. Right, this crack's all finished now. Didn't want to go too much into the grinding and the cleaning up of it because it's just boring work. So yeah, all done. Very happy with this one. Still got 3 more to do, but yeah, I'm happy. So I've got to just crack on with the rest of them now and be all done. But just thought I'd do a quick video on how I've done it. So yeah, if you like what I've done, like, subscribe, share, drop some comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.